from biology, you have to just mug up this step, how to find out this thing. I'm going to tell you I average. Okay.
Yeah.
I average is basically, if I say this is going to be sum of total current. Okay, sum of total current in one cycle.
Yeah.
Okay, this is going to be sum of total current in one cycle over total time of one cycle.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is going to be total time of one cycle. Getting?
Yeah.
Okay, but you tell me what logic I should use so that I can find the total current. Because why I'm asking you the logic? Because the previous case it was very easy. But in this case, you can see sometimes the voltage is this much, sometimes it is varying this much, sometimes it is this much, sometimes it is negative, sometimes it's going much more negative. So what logic I should use so that I can add all the voltage? What logic I should use? Tell me if you have any idea.
We just use the values, right, on the X and Y.
But the problem is, see, but the problem is that you don't know how much is this value, how much will be the next value, how much will be the next value, right?
Yeah.
We just equally space them and take them.
But how many equally space you will do? 100.
Um,
Tell me how many spaces you will create?
Not sure. Yeah.
Not sure, right?
Yeah.
There is a chances. See, for example, if there is a one brilliant student, he says that I will do one thing, I will break this whole part into 10 part and then I will find out the area, right?
yeah.
Let's suppose he find, let's suppose 10 centimeters square, for example. Then other brilliant student came in your class and he says, okay, if you got 10, I will break this into 100 part. Understand?
Yeah.
So what will, in which case accuracy will be better? In which case accuracy you feel will be better?
This one.
Second one, first
Second
case or
one.
second case?
First case.
No,
Second case.
second case, right?
Second. Yes.
That's what I said.
And he says that area will be 10.45 centimeters square, let's suppose. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what happened? All of a sudden there is one boy who is trying to impress everyone. He gives, I will divide into 1,000 part.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
But I feel that if he is going to divide 1,000 part, he will not able to pass 12th grade, because 12th grade you have to mug up lot of the things,
Yeah.
right? So for replacement of all these things, we have integration process.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
So for that purpose, we have integration and we will use integration. Now, how to add all the values? See it very, very carefully. Okay. Very, very carefully. Now, what does it mean? How to use integration? Just see it very carefully. Let's suppose
Yeah.
this is your function. Okay. Now see,
Yeah.
this is, let's suppose I naught. For example, this is I naught. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if this is a time period, let's suppose this is a t, for example. Okay.
Yeah.
And you wanted to calculate, for example, the value from here to here up to here. This is, let's suppose, t1, or let's suppose t final up to
Yeah.
here. You want to calculate how much is the value of this area, for example.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you do normally, what we do in a practice, we do this thing. We divide this into a small part. That is called, we say, this is dt, a small part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see if I divide it in very small part, that becomes dt. So you can see this look like a small rectangle kind of thing, right?
Yes.
And whose height is, you can see, whose height is basically I naught, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the breadth is called it dt, right?
Yeah.
So if I calculate the area, so can you see for this small rectangle, the area will be I naught times dt. Length?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you see or not?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, so what I did, I just tried to become that smart. So what we do, we created a small part and we calculated a small area. Now what our job is, is that we have to add all the area from here to up to here, right?
Yeah.
So what I will do, this is the done by integration. Integration does, it add all the value in the graph.
Okay.
Understand? From, let's suppose
Yeah, yeah.
if this is t to t final. So that is why we place the limit from 0 to t final.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
This is what we do to calculate the area of any graph by using integration. Same logic we
Yeah.
will use to calculate the graph, I mean area, in the case of this case as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So now see it very carefully. Now you will understand it very easily. Okay. Now see it. So for example, in this case, if I have to calculate the area of this whole graph, I will use the same logic. Let's suppose if I divide into the very small part, and this is called dt, and let's suppose this is
Yeah.
any value of v. So can you see that the sum of total current, sorry, in this case I current. Okay, so if this is I, okay, I'm just calculating. Let me change. This is I. This should be I. This should be I not actually, because I'm talking about current. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. So the total current will be the same way. This will be I times dt into, and the limit from 0 to t. Understand up to here or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why? What is the meaning of I into dt? Can you tell me?
It's
Yes.
the current. Total current.
This is, yes, total current.
And yeah.
See, what is the, see, try to understand what is the meaning. I into dt is basically what I did. First of all, I divided into a small part and I found this is a small current over here. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is, and when I found the area of the small rectangle, that's become I into dt, right?
Yeah.
Then we have to add,
Yes.
then we have to add lot of the small rectangles from this
Yeah.
point to this point. Okay.
Okay.
So from this point to this point, if I want to do, that is why I have placed the limit from 0 to t. Let's suppose if you want to add up to here, so you can place 0 to t by 2 only.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
So remember that this is how, what we have to do. So this is how I found all the current that I will do. Now, total time
Yeah.
of one cycle. What is the total time of one cycle in this case?
T.
T by
Very
2.
good. That is
Oh,
total,
yeah. T.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Now I'm going to use integration. Now see it very carefully. So I average is going to be integration of I. I just now I told you a few minutes back that V is the V naught sine omega t. Same way I will be I naught sine omega t.
Okay.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if V is equal to this function, so I am assuming I to be this function. Okay. So
Okay.
I will
Yeah.
write I naught sine omega t dt over t and limit from 0 to t. Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this up to here, this was understanding, and rest of the
Yeah.
part,
Yeah.
the rest of the part is depend upon whether you know integration or not.
Okay.
Okay, so you know integration. Any idea about integration?
Yeah. Integration.
No idea, right? Okay. Now see, for example, what
Yeah.
do you remember? What is the integration of sine t, sine x? Let's suppose sine x dx. Do you remember the formula? What is integration of sine x? This is negative cos x. Remember that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Negative cos x plus c, right?
Yes. Cos c. So I'm assuming cos c not coming. Okay. Same way, if let's suppose you have sine ax into dx, for example. Okay.
Okay.
Over we have x. In this case, we have ax, for example.
Okay.
So in this case, the formula goes and it becomes cos x over a.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So this will be the formula which we will be using in this case, and then you will come to know what is the idea behind it. So I'm going to use this logic over here. So can I write I average to be I naught over t and integration 0 to t. Just now if I integrate this value, so sine omega t will
Yeah.
be, can you tell me what will be the integration of sine omega t if I use this formula?
Yeah. Minus
Cosine
minus cos omega.
t
No, minus cos t by omega, right?
cos omega t. No, sorry, I
Yeah.
forgot this. This should be a over a should be here. It never goes. Okay. So minus cos omega t over omega.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
And limit is from which point to which point? It is from 0 to t.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Now let me place the value and then I will tell you. Now, just now I gave you one idea and few minutes back I told you that omega is 2 pi f, right?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
f was 1 over time period, right?
Yeah.
So this f was 1 over time period. So can you see that omega will be 2 pi over t?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you say that?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I am going to write I average to be I naught over t into, in the place of omega, if I write this value, so this will come
2
like
pi
this,
by t. Yeah.
like this. Can you see, understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if I take I common, I outside, and then this is cos omega. This, let's suppose omega in the place of omega 2 pi by t into t,
T.
Yeah.
0 to t. Up to here, understand or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Easy or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
Very good. So now can you say that I can cancel t and t?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Very good. So the I average comes out to be minus I naught over 2 pi. Okay. Now I'm going to place higher limit minus lower limit, if you know integration.
Yes.
So
T.
cos 2 pi over
2
t
pi.
into, in the place of t, I will write t minus cos 2 pi over t times 0. Right?
Integration to subtract this.
Yeah.
Understand or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
This is multiply.
So, so this t and t gone.
Cancel. Yeah.
This is 0 times this value. This will give you cos 0,
0. Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes.
So shall I erase this part?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now see it very, very carefully so that you can understand, because this is very, very interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so see basically what we can do. I can write I average to be, if I substitute the limit and everything, I can see one thing, that the final result is coming something minus I naught over 2 pi into cos t and t cancel. So basically
Yeah.
cos of 2 pi
Good fine.
minus cos of 0,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the value of cos 2 pi?
Cos 2 pi.
Okay, what is the value of cos 0?
1.
And see, so this is a 0, right? This is 0, let's suppose. This is 0,
Yeah.
this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, this is again 360, right?
Yes.
So basically you can see cos 0 and 360 is the same thing after one revolution.
Yeah.
Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So how much will be the value of cos 2 pi?
1.
Very good. Because see, I just now I told you that 0 and 360 is the same thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I average will be minus I naught over 2 pi, and this is going to be 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is how much? 2, right?
0.
1 minus
0.
0.
Yes. Yes. I was just checking. Okay. So
Okay.
so how
Yeah.
much is how much is I average?
This is 0.
0.
Yes. So this is how we calculate the I average. Why we say I average is 0? Because you can see from the graph as well. See, for half of the cycle the value was positive, and for half of the cycle the value was negative,
Negative.
right?
So it gets cancelled out. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you calculate this length, if you calculate this length, then the total value become this. Let's suppose this is 4, so this will be minus 4, and if you add these two, that will give you 0.
Yeah.
Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is how, boss, we calculate the average value. Remember that.
Okay.
Easy or
Yeah.
not?
Yeah. Easy.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is how so many derivations will come, and I will tell you in upcoming class. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
So I hope you like the class, right?
Yes, thank you. Sorry for making so much sounds.
No, 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 it's okay. Okay, party's over right here, right?
It was not our party. It's
not
our
guests were
yeah.
at home. Sorry.
Okay, okay. So you guys are
And
two friends or what?
Yeah, we are friends.
yes.
Okay, so you will be taking both of the class, right? Both of you will taking class.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. It's good to study in group,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. No issue. So,
No,
Okay.
no, sir.
okay. So
Alright.
I hope you like the class. Then we will make a plan and then we will do study properly. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sir, our syllabus is not over from school actually.
Yes, we didn't do the chapter yet. This one.
We didn't do many. We just did the first 5 chapters from school, and that's it. We have a
No,
lot.
from the first part.
I know
Yeah.
I know that even if I ask the question from first chapter, now you will not able to tell. I know that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I know it very well how they teach in CBSE in outside India. I know. Okay.
Yeah.
You
Because
stay here. You live here in Qatar.
no, no, no. I was in UAE. I was in UAE for 2 years.
Okay.